Creating an account on Monese is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances easily. Follow these steps to set up your account quickly. Step 1. Download the Monese app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone and search for the Monese app. Download and install the app to get started. Step 2. Open the app and start registration. Launch the Monese app on your device. Tap on the Sign Up or Create Account button to begin the registration process. Step 3. Enter your personal information. Fill in the required fields with your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any issues later. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve uploading a photo of your ID and a selfie for security purposes. Ensure that the images are clear and meet the app's requirements. Step 5. Set up your account preferences. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Now you're ready to start using your Monese account. Enjoy managing your finances with ease.